Ka Shillong Press Club ka bari ka kinhun kinong tho batlum khobor ka jela Meglaya ha ka santrik unai tung arhajar arpusaw kalayo banjiet ikinong kitkam bathamai jongka bakentup yo President General Secretary bat Treasurer. Lingba ke election bala pulong ha kani kasngi bala peniat da katanat Information and Public Relations ka Sorkar Jela uba Daymaya El Siangshai ula syajit kumu President da kabayo kambun vote ban yo ba jo thank you bat kumju yo ba Rafael Wajri. Katbay kam General Secretary Pat la job suk do ba Savio ti ding do klem da don ka jingye kun persya katba ha ka kam Treasurer kinong tho batlum khubor kila ai khambon ka vote hau ba Gershom hat ubala tam khambon yo ba Martin Nongklau. Ha ka jingelang penbenai ya ka result election na don lang do Malthius Sangma Director katanat DIPR ki officer katanat na lor kilat pathai khubor.
Results. It's a long time coming, na? Okay, so the result for the Shillong Press Club elections 2024 held today, the 5th of July 2024, is as follows. For the post of President, Shri D.L. Siangshai acquired 91 votes, Shri Joe Thank You acquired 67 votes, and Shri Rafael Wajri acquired 6 votes. So, the president, your new elected president is Shri D.L. Siangshai. Shri Savio Dingdo has been elected uncontested. And for the post of treasurer, Shri Jershomi, please. Gershom. Okay, Gershom had secured 113 votes. And Shri Martin Nongklau secured 50 votes. So your new treasurer is Shri Gershom Hat. Gershom Hat. And now.
It has not been easy because there was nothing in writing in the beginning when we were requested to conduct the election for the Shillong Press Club, which is, I believe, is a prestigious institution because all of you are professionals, all of you are prestigious, all of you are esteemed. With that in mind, we thought how to start with it and strike a balance with all the views that every member has in their capacity. Somehow, the members nominated by Shillong Press Club were so helpful. All of you were so disciplined, and today, especially in the elections, my officer's report was very good. That is why Commissioner Secretary was so happy to come down by himself because we reported that it was so smooth. Everyone was so disciplined and everyone was so excited. And, thank you very much. Thank you so much. Let's hope so. From now onwards, all of us will be together. All the members will be supporting the new president, new general secretary, and treasurer. And you will be having. The idea is the decision in the committee meeting is that the new president and general secretary will call a general body meeting where the other posts will be filled up by election or selection by head count or hands count. So I hope all of you will be unanimous in that. All of you will cooperate with them. Together we can do so many things because you have lost so many things, so many facilities as journalists. So in the days and years to come, for the next 3 years, I leave the responsibility to your new president, general secretary, treasurer, and the new executive committee, along with all the members, esteemed members, that together we will be able to build more transparent, more vibrant Shillong Press Club.
At the very outset, I would like to thank all my colleagues, all my members who have shown your confidence on me to be your new president. And I hope with your cooperation, with your support, we will move ahead to make a press club, a vibrant press club, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but in the northeast, and in India as a whole. I would like to thank all the members for making the election a very smooth and a success one. I also would like to thank the commissioner, the director, and all the officers of the DIPR who has conducted a smooth and transparency and a democratic way of conduct an election today. And we hope from today onward we will move ahead so that all the pending programs will be implemented from now onwards. And I also request each and every member that from now on we will work together as a team to make the club a more functional and a more active club in the state. Thank you so much.
First, I would like to thank the Department of DIPR that they have put up this election for after 14 years. So then I thank all the colleagues from print and media that they have supported me as a treasurer of the club, and I hope everyone from now onward we will work together as a club so that we can do all the pending issues that we have been in trouble in these 3 years. So with this few words, I thank everyone, and especially the director of the DIPR. Thank you. God bless you.
Me in choosing me as a general secretary, and yes, of course, I was without any opposition, but still, then I would like to thank each and everyone who had decided to contest, and then later on decided not to contest, to give me the chance to be the secretary, general secretary of this press club. I hope together we can work and we can sit and form a new EC that can function, that can be function in such a way to move this entire press club and the colleagues of the press in a way that is up to this date. With the technology and the facilities that's available to us, we can surely move ahead and prove that this press club will be one of the best in the Northeast. Thank you. Of this press club, I hope together we can work and we can sit and form a new EC that can function, that can be function in such a way to move this entire press club and the colleagues of the press in a way that is up to this date. With the technology and the facilities that's available to us, we can surely move ahead and prove that this press club will be one of the best in the Northeast. Thank you.